Hello, English learners. Good morning. It's your Ajarn Albin, back with another round of our Synonym Showdown English Quiz Part 18. And today, we are going to talk about some of the important vocabulary from our B2B English Communication course, which started this week. To be specific, we launched this significant program this Wednesday, the 21st of this month. These vocabularies are important for individuals aspiring to succeed in a business environment, particularly the B2B situations. Before we proceed with our short quiz, I would like to remind everyone about our recently conducted B2B course. I am thankful for the energy as well as the motivation that each of you presented to our class. Our quiz today serves as a review to the vocabulary we have previously discussed, making it a great way to strengthen the knowledge you have learned. Let's see how well you remember them, class. Are you ready to put your knowledge to the test? Let's get started. Okay, question number 1. What is a synonym for the word business? Letter A, leisure. Letter B, commerce. And letter C, rest. I will give you 10 seconds to choose the correct answer. Okay, English learners, the word business refers to the activity of earning cash through commerce and trade, which involves the exchange of money, goods, or services. It happens to be at the very center of the business sector. So, the answer to this is letter B, commerce. It is the most closely related synonym as it includes all activities related to purchasing and selling. All right, moving on to question number 2. What is a synonym for management? Letter A, leadership. Letter B, followership. And letter C, disorganization. Okay. English learners, management involves the process of leading and directing an organization's resources, including its people, to achieve a specific goals. So this is why the best synonym for management is letter A, which shows the role of guiding and making strategic decisions. Okay? Now, moving on to question number 3. What is a synonym for transaction? Letter A, bargain. Letter B, agreement. And letter C, deal. All right. A transaction refers to the act of conducting business, especially the exchange of goods, services, or money between the buyer and the seller. So, the word deal, which is letter C, is the perfect synonym because it also suggests a business agreement or arrangement, typically involving negotiations or trade. Question number 4. What is a synonym for supplier? Letter A, provider. Letter B, consumer. And letter C, competitor. All right. A supplier is a person or company that provides products or services to another business. Class, please allow me to repeat what I mentioned to you during our first B2B lesson. And that is, suppliers serves an important role in a supply chain. So, the best synonym here is provider. And that is letter A, as it also refers to someone who supplies goods or services. All right, moving on to our final question. What is a synonym for purchase? Letter A, sale. Letter B, buy. And letter C, rent. All right. English learners, to purchase something is to receive it by paying for it, which is basically the act of buying. So the best synonym will be buy, and that is letter B. Actually, the word purchase is commonly used and it is directly connected to the act of purchasing. Okay? That ends today's quiz, class. Thanks for joining in. Remember to share your score and challenge your friends. This quiz is a great opportunity to review and strengthen your knowledge. Keep practicing and you will become a business English expert in no time. See you next time. And as always, happy learning.